Keeping your teeth clean goes beyond brushing, and that is where water flossers truly shine. In today's video, we are diving into the top 4 best water flossers in 2026 that can upgrade your daily oral care routine. Whether you have braces, sensitive gums, or just want a deeper clean, these picks offer power, convenience, and smart features you will love. Number 4. Insmart Water Flosser. The Insmart Water Flosser is a solid choice for anyone who wants a balance between performance and convenience. Designed with everyday usability in mind, it features a large 300 milliliter detachable water tank that allows you to complete your cleaning routine without constant refilling. What really stands out is the full opening tank design, making it incredibly easy to clean and maintain over time. When it comes to performance, this flosser delivers strong water pulses at up to 18 times per minute. Combined with 4 precision jet nozzles, it effectively removes stubborn food particles and plaque from even the hardest to reach areas. This makes it especially useful for people with braces or gum issues who need extra care. Another highlight is its long-lasting battery. With a 2000 mAh lithium battery, you can enjoy up to 3 weeks of use on a single charge. Charging is quick and simple, using a USB cable, taking only about 4 hours to fully power up. The device also includes 4 cleaning modes, such as normal, soft, pulse, and a customizable DIY mode so you can tailor the experience exactly to your comfort level. Its quiet operation and memory function make daily use smooth and consistent. Plus, with a travel bag and multiple tips included, it is perfect for both home use and trips. Pros: large tank, customizable modes, long battery life. Cons: slightly bulky for small travel bag. Number 3. Seago SG833 Portable Flosser. The Seago SG833 Portable Flosser brings together power and portability in a compact design. It is built for users who want effective cleaning without sacrificing convenience. Equipped with a strong motor, it produces water pulses ranging from 15 to 2000 times per minute, delivering a deep and thorough clean that removes up to 99% of plaque from treated areas. This model offers 3 cleaning modes, including daily, high, and pulse, allowing you to adjust intensity depending on your needs. Whether you have sensitive gums or require a more powerful cleaning session, it adapts easily. The built-in memory function remembers your last setting, saving you time every day. The flosser comes with 5 interchangeable jet tips, making it ideal for families or individuals with braces and dental work. Its 200 milliliter water tank provides enough capacity for a full cleaning session without interruption. Despite its compact size, it does not compromise on performance. Durability is another strong point. With full waterproof protection, it is safe to use even in the shower. The rechargeable battery can last up to a full month on a single charge, making it a reliable travel companion. It also operates quietly, so you can use it without disturbing others. Pros: compact design, strong pressure, quiet operation. Cons: smaller water tank compared to others. Number 2. Soocas W3 Oral Irrigator. The Soocas W3 Oral Irrigator stands out with its advanced technology and versatile cleaning options. It delivers a fine pulsed water stream that can reach deep between teeth and along the gum line, helping to remove stubborn debris and prevent plaque buildup. With consistent pulses at 1300 times per minute, it ensures a stable and thorough cleaning experience. One of its biggest strengths is customization. It offers 7 different cleaning modes, including multiple strength levels for both standard and gum care settings. This means you can fine-tune the pressure according to your comfort and oral health needs. There is also a focused mode designed to target tough stains, making it a great option for those looking to improve overall dental appearance. The device includes 4 interchangeable nozzles, each designed for a specific purpose, such as gum care or tongue cleaning. The nozzles rotate fully, allowing you to clean every corner of your mouth with ease. Battery performance is another major advantage. A single charge can last up to 80 days, making it one of the longest-lasting options on this list. It charges quickly and is safe to use in wet environments thanks to its waterproof design. Its compact body, leak-resistant tank, and included storage case make it perfect for travel. Pros: multiple modes, long battery life, versatile nozzles. Cons: learning curve for beginners. Number 1. Mornwell D52 Dental Flosser. Taking the top spot is the Mornwell D52 Dental Flosser, a powerful and reliable option designed for deep cleaning and gum care. It uses advanced dual-thread water pulse technology to deliver between 1,200 and 1,400 pulses per minute. This ensures effective removal of plaque and debris, while gently massaging the gums to improve overall oral health. The upgraded 300 milliliter water tank is a major advantage, offering extended cleaning sessions without the need for frequent refills. This makes it highly efficient for daily use, especially for those who prefer a quick and uninterrupted routine. With 3 cleaning modes including normal, soft, and pulse, the Mornwell D52 caters to a wide range of users. The soft mode is particularly helpful for beginners or those with sensitive gums, providing a comfortable yet effective cleaning experience. Battery life is impressive as well. The built-in 14 mAh battery supports up to 30 days of use on a single charge and recharges fully in about 4 hours. Its waterproof design allows for safe use in the shower, adding to its convenience. The ergonomic handle, memory function, and multiple interchangeable nozzles make it easy to personalize your experience. It is a well-rounded device that combines performance, comfort, and reliability in one package. Pros: strong cleaning performance, large tank, easy to use. Cons: fewer modes than some competitors. Choosing the right water flosser can make a big difference in your oral health routine. Each of these options offers something unique, so it really comes down to your personal needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more useful product reviews.